Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Usha Bala. So today is the Navratri 7th day. Happy Navratri all of you. So today is the Alankara Sri MAHALAKSHMI Devi. So I would like to prepare sweet pongal at home, pala pongali at home. So let's get start into the video. So this was the celebration time. Let's gonna show you how to prepare this sweet. These are the ingredients to prepare this sweet pala pongali. So first of all, 1 bowl of rice, 2 glasses of water and ghee, milk, 1 milk packet of liter, jaggery, cashew, kismis and ilachi. Okay, take a pan and add 1 bowl of rice and clean off it. We add some water. Okay, now add 2 glasses of water. Put on the stove this pan and flame on it. Okay, now wait for 10 to 15 minutes until it will boiled like this consistency. Now take another bowl and add jaggery and add some water. It will melted like this consistency. Now take the jaggery consistency, add into the boiled rice like this and add boiled milk also. Now mix it well. These jaggery and milk consistencies in that rice. Now again flame on the stove. Boiled this consistency for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes off the stove and take a side of this pan. Now take a small pan and add 2 spoons of ghee on that pan and flame on it. The ghee was melted. Now add kismis, cashew on that. Roast it well for 2 minutes. Okay, now add this cashew and kismis mixture on that rice mixture and mix it well. So this is the pala pongali recipe for today's special. Now take a bowl and serve it. Now I tasted it. This is very superb recipe. So I hope you are all enjoying to watch this video. If you like this video, please give a like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye, love you, take care, keep smiling.